Hello, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking, and what we're going to do today is talk about labels and how to create them within a Google account in order to organize one's emails so that you don't have, let's say, 10 or more emails taking up your inbox. So, labels are the items that we can see on the far left in our Gmail accounts that allow for easy access to the emails at a later date. It's sort of like creating file folders you can use to save your emails rather than deleting them. So, to create a new label, I would go to the upper right hand corner and click on Settings. From there, I would click on Settings again, and then I would click on the Labels icon at the top of the Settings page. Now, in order to create a new label, I would need to scroll down to the Create a New Label button. Once I do so, I could create a new label, and for the purposes of this video, I'm going to call this label Technology Tutorials, since I may be using this quite a lot. Once I hit create, it will say that the new label was created. And I can see that it has popped up in the left hand side of my Gmail account's sidebar. So if I go back to my inbox, I can see that I have an email that if it normally pops up in your account, it will usually be bolded as it has been unopened, but I opened it already. So when I click on the little box next to the email, I can click Move To, and I could move it to Technology Tutorials if I wish to do so. However, let's say I want to read the email first. I would just click on the subject line. I could see that this email is a sample for the tutorial. I could click Move To, and then it would go to Technology Tutorials. And now I have an empty inbox. So labels really help organize where one's items are within an email account. So if I ever need to find that email again, I can go over to the left-hand side, click on Technology Tutorials, and it's right there. Furthermore, I can also, if I don't remember the exact label I put my email in, search for it by maybe searching for sample, since that is the label I gave for this particular email. So there are many ways to save your emails within Gmail accounts, but this way they are more organized than what one would expect if one opened up their email account and saw a flood of emails in front of it. One idea I do want to clarify is that for labeling your labels, make certain to use themes rather than years, such as 2017, for example. The reason I emphasize using themes is because of the fact that labels, once they are created, cannot be officially deleted ever from one's Gmail account. So if I had another email come in right now, Technology Tutorials would always be the top action for my ability to move it into a different label. And it is for that reason why I recommend using themes rather than years. Thank you. And I hope this tutorial helped you with organizing your email account.